Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device and opening settings. Make sure battery is above 20% and you're on Wi-Fi. This avoids interruptions and sync problems. Backup contacts and photos now so you don't lose anything when removing an account. Once done, go to Settings and tap Accounts and Sync or Users and Accounts. This is where all linked Google profiles live. You're ready to select the Google account you want to remove and proceed to the removal options. Now you'll select the account and handle protections that block removal. Tap the Google account you intend to remove and pause sync for contacts, photos, and calendars if you want to keep local copies. This prevents accidental deletion. Next, disable Find My Device in Settings Security if active, and sign out from Google Play on that device to avoid reactivation issues. These steps ensure the account can be removed cleanly and that the phone won't be locked by account protection afterward. Finish by removing the account and verifying success. Tap Remove Account in the account details and confirm when prompted. You may need your device PIN or password. Once removed, reboot the phone and open Settings accounts to confirm the profile is gone. If the phone prevents removal due to factory reset protection, back up your data and perform a factory reset from Settings About Phone Factory Reset. That will clear the account. If you get stuck, ensure you know the
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.